Hey guys, so today I'm going to take you through an extra upgraded bird dog variation. So this is the medicine ball bird dog. So for this you'll need an aerobic step or something to elevate your knees and a solid medicine ball. So knees are going to be on the step, hands are going to be in the medicine ball. Same thing as we usually cue for the bird dog. Squeezing through your glutes, nice to your spine, make sure you resist that rotation so you have to be nice and stiff through the middle. And then try to keep your balance. So same thing, opposite arm, opposite leg. And that's the medicine ball bird dog.